Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up a navigation menu in your Shopify store. A well-organized menu helps customers easily find products and pages, which improves their shopping experience. Let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, to add a menu, we need to go to the Content section. From here, we will click on Menus. Inside Menus, we need to create a new menu. Here, we can add menu items. For example, we can add Home and link it to the home page. We can add Products and then add Contact Us. After that, we will link this to the relevant page. We can also add more menu items as needed. For example, if we want to add Search, we simply update the search item. Now let's check how this looks. Here is our navigation menu on the home page. We just need to click on our menu and click Save Page. And that's how we add a navigation menu in Shopify. With a clear and organized menu, our customers can easily browse the site and find exactly what they're looking for.